Stake DAO is a comprehensive DeFi platform that empowers users to earn passive income through advanced staking strategies and yield optimization. To start, visit the Stake DAO website and connect your preferred wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger. The platform supports a variety of assets, including stablecoins and popular cryptocurrencies, enabling you to diversify your holdings while generating rewards. StakeDAO also offers innovative yield farming strategies, where users can leverage liquidity pools to maximize returns. A unique feature of StakeDAO is its governance model, which allows users to participate in decision-making by staking their SDT tokens. This creates a community-driven ecosystem where your contributions have tangible impacts. By exploring the dashboard, you'll find tools like portfolio analytics, enabling you to track your earnings in real time. The platform's sleek interface makes it accessible to beginners while offering powerful tools for seasoned DeFi users. One key highlight is StakeDAO's ability to aggregate and simplify complex strategies, saving you time and effort while achieving optimal results. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Explore various staking pools and APY rates, enabling you to align your investments with your financial goals. Whether you're a long-term investor or a DeFi enthusiast, StakeDAO has tailored options to suit your needs. Don't forget to take advantage of their referral program and governance rewards, which provide additional earning opportunities. Finally, StakeDAO's commitment to transparency ensures you have complete control and visibility over your investments. Start today and unlock the full potential of DeFi. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your crypto-savvy friends.